So hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Today in this video, I'll be unboxing the iPad Air M3 screen protector and the Apple Pencil Pro case. So I have already made few dedicated video about how I got this Apple Pencil Pro for free while buying the iPad from the back to school offer. You can check that video as well. Also, I have made an unboxing video of the Apple Pencil Pro and the iPad Air M3. Also a separate video about the case of the iPad M3. So all the links will be provided in the description as well as in the I button. You can check that out. So for this video, this side Shubham here. You're watching UnZip Tech. Let's get started. Okay, so here it goes. This is the packaging that you will receive if you're ordering this two product. Minded that both the products are from different brand and it is some generic brand, so it's not some fancy brand that we have in the Amazon store right now. So as you can see, the packaging also is accordingly given over here. It's not that much fancy, but yeah, it is doable. But I think if you go for this product in offline store and get it, it will be way cheaper than I have bought it online. But since it wasn't available near my place, I just went with the online option. So let's just open this thing first. So here you can see the shop details and there are two things inside this. Let me open this up. Okay, so here it goes. We have a tool which will help us to put the case on the pencil and also to remove it. So in short, install and uninstall it. And this is the rubber case that we have. The finish is quite good, but let's now get to the other thing, that is the glass that we have, the protector of our iPad. To know the exact pricing at this particular moment when you're watching this video, I have linked the links in the description, which will directly redirect you to the Amazon page where you can find the links for all the products that I unbox in each and every video. So this is the brand. You can see the details over here on the bottom. On the back side, you have some more details and how to install guide. So we'll also try to install this on our iPad. Let me open this first. So it looked like it is a paper sticker, but it isn't. It has the combination of plastic also, so it was little bit difficult to tear it off. Okay, so inside this we have this wet and dry wipe. We have two set of it. Let's keep this aside, and the main thing, that is the screen protector. Okay, so let me get this out for you, and yeah, here it goes. So they mentioned that it has a oleophobic coating, but I didn't felt like it was that good. But yeah, it is doable. Like you can use it with the looking at this budget that we have, it is quite good. Now let's set this up on the iPad and also on the Apple Pencil Pro. So first I'll use the wet wipe so that I can remove this fingerprints that are there on my screen. So this is the third attempt that I am doing to apply this screen protector properly. I'll suggest you to go with the applier because that will help you to apply this easily. I took the risk because I wanted to try it by myself how exactly this fitting thing works. So this is the third attempt, and in which I was almost successful. There was some things, or you can say some bubbles left in between. Also some dust particles were there, which I tried removing by using the stickers that were provided for me. So as you can see, it has been fit pretty well, and you can see the edges also. The fit is very good, and also it is case friendly, so you can easily install the other cases on it. So let's just keep this aside and get back to the Apple Pencil Pro, and let me show you how the fit goes for that as well. So here we have the installer kit for the Apple Pencil Pro. So all the instructions are given on this side, and on the behind you have the instructions to remove it. Okay, so it is a 3-step process. Let me try this. So before putting the case, I would like to clean this pencil properly because I have been using it without case for a day now. I can even use this wet wipe so that all the dirt that has been collected on the pencil can easily be wiped out. Okay. So now to put this case on this pencil, I need to put the pencil from this side, I guess. Yeah. See, I need to put the pencil from this side. So let me push it in from the top. So in the reviews, I have seen that most of the people have failed doing it properly because the rubber is very thin and you need to do it very carefully. If you try to pull it from a wrong direction, it might end up getting torn up in between. So better to do it how they have instructed. And as you can see, it's quite easy, but you need to make sure you follow the proper procedure. And over here at the end, I'm facing little bit challenge. Okay, and it's done. So this is how the fit is for the Apple Pencil Pro. You can see the logo from here, the charging logo, so that you can connect it properly. And they have given this flat surface so that if you are using the tab gesture, you can easily do it. So this is how it fits on the iPad. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and you can also watch this case video which I have uploaded separately, and let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this case or about this protectors things or the accessories that you want me to bring in next video also. So that's it for today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.